Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a tuna cheese sandwich easy method. Start by draining 1/5 oz can of tuna and flaking it with a fork, then mix with 1 tablespoon of mayo, a pinch of salt, and 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Spread on 2 slices of bread, add 1 or 2 slices of cheese, and grill or toast until golden and melty for a perfect quick meal. Begin by laying out all ingredients on the counter so you can assemble quickly and confidently. Drain the tuna well to avoid soggy bread, then stir in mayo, lemon, and a pinch of pepper. Taste and adjust seasoning before adding cheese so every bite is balanced. If using extras like celery or pickles, chop them small and fold in gently to keep texture without overwhelming the sandwich. When grilling, keep the pan at medium heat so the cheese melts evenly while the bread browns slowly for perfect texture. Press lightly with a spatula to compact ingredients without squeezing out fillings. If you like a creamier bite, swap in a teaspoon of Greek yogurt or add a touch more mayo. Serve with a side salad or chips for a balanced quick lunch that feels indulgent but simple.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.